Welcome back, guys, for another video. It's Cut by Manny, and today we'll be unboxing the Wahl Barber combo. I just received it in the mail. Cutting this open. Right. Okay, yeah, I'm just cut this. I want to cut it. I didn't want to cut it. I don't know how to open it. So keeping boxes perfect. Okay, so here we go. This is small. You think it's big? It's not. It's very small. I'm surprised. My knife was away. Okay, here we go. Look at this. So, first thing, that's snazzy stuff. Okay. Ooh, this comb is nice. This comb is big. Clipper comb, you know, that's nice. We got our half guards, 1.5 and half. Our normal guards. I think this one doesn't come with 5 and I don't know, 3. Ooh, here we go. Actually, what's this? Some other guards and stuff. Here we go. Wahl Legends. Ooh, these are nice. Here we go. They're like these here. Focus on. They're close to 0 gaps, but these open up a lot. The blade back on here. They changed the blade. I know, different from the like the Wahl icon. They're seniors, but yeah, that opens up a lot. I like it. It's real nice. Ooh, it's a little light too. It's a little on the light side compared to the other here. Here you got the Wahl Heroes. They're a little damaged. These fresh out the box, like I just opened these. Let's check this out. Oh, these are 0 gaps. Look at that, y'all. Like, that side's a little. This side's a little up. Yeah, that side's most definitely over. No, it's not. Look at these are like 0 gaps out the box. Okay, that's off. Okay. Back there, so gonna be right back. I'm back now. I'm gonna open up this bag here. My black knife. Try to do better. So we use these for a while. Okay, safer. So, adjuster, blade adjuster. Where's this? Okay, just go ahead. Some blade adjuster for walls. Just like in there like that, you know. And then you put. I showed me doing that. We got 3 attachments. The for our trimmers, the half, the 1, and the 1.5. So half, 1.5, and 1. Okay, those. Let's sit over here. We got Wahl Legends, 5-star Legends. Keys blades, or these are like dang near 0 gaps, and they open up mad a lot. Like, that's crazy. And we got our Wahl Heroes, which are like 0 gap to like the T. Like, you see that? There's like no gap between there. With our STD blade on there, it's crispy. I prefer the STD blade over TY blade. I would say I prefer it because some people got small hairlines. Some people got small hairlines, and you just don't want to have to not be able to use yours. These are actually the real lightweight too. Here we go. Back again. Alright, let's focus. Alright, there we go. It's real fast, real nice. Alright, great. Wahl Heroes. Wahl Legends. I've been waiting for these. Here we go, Wahl Legends. About 0 gap. I'm 0 gap now. So there we go. Those the 2 clippers that come with here. The Wahl Legends, gold, black. Wahl Heroes, gold and black. Some things I've been wondering, some questions that get answered. Get the Wahl heroes do. All Wahl heroes come with these. Come with this little thingy. The Wahl detailers don't. Even though they should, they don't. Even because some Wahl details come with the TY blade out the box. Then we got in here stuff. Our guards, attachments, and then our clipper oil and stuff. Let me see which one doesn't come in here actually, because that is a good question. Because I need to buy. And these guards are actually good guards. Unlike like Oster fast feet guards, how they like want you to buy the Andes guards. These Wahl have good guards. Okay, so we got the 1, we got the 3, we got the 4, okay, we got the 8, 6, and 2. So it don't come with 5 and 7. 5 and 7 is what it don't come with, and it comes with all the other ones. Then we got the little guards for the trimmers, oil, a little brush, and a really nice comb. Like, this comb is nice. I don't know how, I'm like 6 feet. I got like normal, basically like average size hand. This comb is big. Actually, I think I got a ruler somewhere. Actually, no, I don't. This comb is big. You take your normal Wahl guard, and basically it's like that. Right where it clips, or the handle can go like right there in between the clip and the guard. The handle is big, and then just the comb. So like this is definitely a nice comb. It's not flimsy either. It's pretty sturdy. Yeah, it's pretty sturdy. I like it. All right, so this is my unboxing of the Wahl Barber combo, including the Wahl Legends and the Wahl Heroes. We got nice big comb, 2 clipper oils and little brushes to clean your clipper. We got the Wahl Legend, you know, long blade. We got the Wahl Heroes STD blade, preset, 0 gap, out the box. 2 clipper for your clipper and your trimmer, little guard. We got the half guard. These all came with a half guard, 1 guard, 1.5, 2, 3, 4, no 5, 6, no 7, and then an 8. And for our trimmer, we got the half, the 1, 1.5, and a trimmer adjuster that comes with all Wahl Heroes. They come with the G Wizards too, Wahl G Wizards too. And that's pretty much it for this Wahl Barber combo unboxing. Nice clipper, very powerful clipper, nice motor. Extended blade, you know, open up. Nice Wahl Heroes, very powerful little trimmer. Just a 0. Look at that, 0 gap out the box, man. All right, yeah, that was my unboxing, man.